Elevate safety with Amaro electronics, childcare security systems. Every parent trusts you with what matters most, their children. But ensuring the safety of little ones while balancing daily operations is no small task. Are you leveraging modern tools to safeguard your childcare centre effectively? Safety starts with proactive solutions. From surveillance cameras to controlled access systems, today's security technologies are designed to prevent unauthorized entry while fostering a nurturing environment. By implementing these tools, you're not just protecting children, but also proving your commitment to families, ensuring their peace of mind every day. Security isn't just about protocols, it's about trust. When parents feel confident in your childcare centre's safety measures, you create lifelong partnerships. Boost your reputation, strengthen relationships, and make your childcare business a trusted choice in your community. Take the first step toward elevating safety at your childcare centre. Discover security systems tailored to your needs, giving you peace of mind and solidifying family trust. Don't wait. Invest in the future of childcare safety today. Connect with Amaro Electronics to explore solutions designed just for you.